Chandigarh University has always taught and educated students in the best possible manner through a very competitive curriculum. So, from a domain specialization, from an academic excellence perspective, Chandigarh University has always been at the at the front of it. However, with this collaboration with Adobe, what these students are going to learn is exceptional skills around communication, expression, and digital storytelling. So we feel these will set aside the Chandigarh University students, besides being excellent at their academics, but also the ability to narrate their stories in a very powerful way to external employers, to in case they want to start their journey as solopreneurs. So we feel that this lounge will help them learn those skills and will probably become a differentiator in the long run.